Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trace People's Tips. I'm gonna have to stop there, go get me glasses, hold up. Okay, I'm back again, and today we're unboxing our nt510 lightweight tripod. Okay, on here it tells you what weight it can carry, how far it expands, how much it folds up, and that good stuff. On the other side, what we have, nothing apart from our tripod, and on the other side we have the sort of devices it supports. Okay, so we start by popping this bit open, and then that bit, and there we are. We have a black bag, so let's just pull that out of there and see what we have. Let's just rest that there, see what else fell out of the bag. That's your camera holder, whichever camera it may be. Okay, it's got a standard tripod fitting, I think that is. One there, so you can have it whichever way you wish. And if I do that, you can see it expands to hold your device, your gadget, whichever way you want to see it, call it. And in the box, what else have we got? Let's just tip it out. We have another little box, and here we have, can't see exactly what that is. Oh, it's a remote. I suppose that's for taking picture. I don't know, I'll have to open that in a second, so I'll put that there alongside that one. And this one, we have something else that I don't know about. Well, I'm going to open that in a minute. All right, now on our bag, we have a little bit here. You press that, and that moves about. We open our bag, and inside of here, we should have our tripod. So I'm just going to get the tripod out of the bag. Bear with me a second. Okay, there we are. There's our tripod. Sort of take that out of there like that. Oh, people, these videos, I'm telling you, it's one-man band thing. I'm telling you, sometimes it's more work than you imagine. Alright, I'll try and get this out without breaking it. Oh. Alright, there it is. If I just stand it up on the floor, you can see exactly what we got. And that's what we've got. Okay, that bit there pivots. You've got an arm here that adjusts, allow you to do that. And here you've got another undo. So slacken that off, and that allows you to move that bit up and down. The legs just spread just like that. On here you have another handle to lock it and unlock that, and I should imagine the center part comes up. Lock that. Okay, I'm going to lay it flat because I'm doing it with one hand. If I extend it and then I use that one, lock it, it stays in position, it doesn't go down. Okay, on the legs, it's very light actually, it is very light. On the legs, if we flip these over, just like that, like that, like that, lock them in position, just like that. So if we open that one, we should be able to just pull that out, lock it, and it stays there. Again, number 2, lock it, number 3, lock it. So we're going to go around and do all of them. 1, 2, 3. And that's our tripod at its maximum height. You just pull it apart and it spreads out. Okay, so we just press that down there and that's now locked in position. As we come up the top here, as I said, we have our handle there to allow us that sort of movement. And if we lock it, it stays lock and unlock. You just twist it one way or you twist it the other way. That's unlock, allows you to do that. That's lock, keeping it in position. This one here allows you to go side to side, lock it up, and it stays in position. This one here, unlock it, allows you to do that and that. Lock it up, it stays, well, lock it, stays in position, okay? So, at the bottom here, I'm just going to put extra pressure on it, is where this bit here would locate, either there or there, would screw on to the top, just there, okay? Once you got it connected, say like that for example, hang on 1 second. Okay, we're back again now. This bit, as I said earlier on, that pulls over like that. You can see it's just a bit spring loaded, so when you do pull that out, let me try and do it with one hand again, pull that out, then the top bit lifts up. Once you get your top off, which is a bit I'm holding to, that separates from the bottom, in the position you want, you tighten it up from underneath here, okay? Once you tighten it up, that comes up to tighten it just like that. Remember to press it back down or you will think it won't fit back on there, and it just locates back inside there, just like that. Pull your spring catch around and it falls into place, springs back, and it's locked. That's good to go. That's where you pull it up to put your camera in. Okay, on the side here, just here, you've got like a level. So if I move that towards me, you can see the bubble in the middle. That will tell you if your tripod is sitting square. See the bubble moving around? And it's centralized back. So that tells you you're sitting square or flat, whichever you want to put it. In our first little bag, as I said earlier on, we have a remote, okay? On the side of our remote, we have a switch. Flick that switch and you get a blue light. I'm imagining now, I'm gonna have to check the instruction. You're probably gonna have to pair this with your device and this will operate your camera to take picture or video whenever you're ready. So we just flick that back off and we look at the back here and see if we slide that downwards in that direction, that will open up and give us access to our battery. All of it is all on here, okay? This little string bit that will go through there, loop itself back through and attach itself to your remote. Is there a diagram that shows us that? No, I think you're gonna have to trust me on that one. Anyway, as we move on, we have this little bit here that came in this bag and that unscrews just like that to attach some other device on there, on here or somewhere. I'm not sure about this bit yet, but I'm gonna have to check it out. But that's it for the time being. That's our tripod, all good to go. So the next thing we're gonna do is put that in action. It's very light, very, very light. 2 fingers, look, off the ground, floating around like nobody's business. Let me just try 1 finger without breaking it. Here we go. Simple as that. Okay, so from Tradespeople's Tips, once again, that's the unboxing of our nt510 lightweight tripod. So till next time from Tradespeople's Tips, as we always say, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Until next time, see you later. Good luck, people.